Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A lamp is 16.5 meter above the ground. A boy 77 centimeter tall walks away from the base of this post at speed of 1.6 meter per second. Find the length of the shadow of the boy after 10 seconds. Now let's first see how after 10 seconds how much distance he has covered. So distance covered by the boy in 10 seconds is equal to speed multiplied by time, and since both are in compatible units, we'll simply multiply it. So we get 16 meters. Now let's try to visualize this. We have something like this here, and this is the 16.5 meter height of the lamp. This is shadow of the boy, x meters. This 16 meters is the distance covered by him in 10 seconds. So 16 meters from here to here, and his height is given as 0.77 meter. If we convert 77 centimeter to 0.7 meters, we get 0.77 meters. So this is the height. Now let's name this triangle A, B, C, D and E. Now in triangles, ABC and A and DEC, we have angle ABC equal to angle DEC equal to 90 degrees, since they are on ground, so they must be straight upright. Then we have angle ACB equal to angle DCE, which is common. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity. So since they are similar triangles, we can say that sides are in proportion. Therefore DE divided by AB is equal to CE divided by BC. So we have DE equal to 0.77 meters and AB equal to 16.5 meters, CE equal to x meters and BC equal to 16 plus x. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Or we can say in proportion. Sides, ratio of corresponding sides in proportion. Ratio of corresponding sides in proportion. Therefore we get, let's see, 16 plus x multiplied by 0.77 equal to 16.5x. So we get 16 multiplied by 77 is 16 sevens are 112. So 16 sevens are 112 plus 11 is 123. And since there is a decimal point, we'll put a decimal point after 2 digits from right side. So 12.32 plus 0.77x equal to 16.5x. So from here we get 16.5x minus 0.77x. 5x minus 0.77x equal to 12.32. So that is equal to, let's see, 16.5 minus 0.77 is 15.73x equal to 12.32. Now we get value of x as 12.32 divided by 15 divided by 15.73. Now for the sake of calculation, we'll assume this 15.73 as 16. So let's see, 12.32 divided by 16 is 16 zeros are. So we get 0. Then we have 12 here, 0.16. 1, 2, 3. We'll consider 1, 2, 3 now. So we have 16 sevens are 1, 1, 2, 11. And 16 sevens are 1, 1, 2. So we get 0.77. And since we had increased the denominator, the result has decreased. So if we decrease it back to its original value, maybe 12.32 by 16 equal to 0.77. Therefore 12.32 divided by 15.73 will be something like 0.78. So we get value of x as 0.78, which is length of his shadow. So we get length of shadow of the boy as 7.78 meters. So in centimeters it will be length of shadow equal to 78 centimeters. This is the answer.